Hey guys, it's Livingstone. I'm back and I'm better. Today we will be treating a puzzle that has been going around during this coronavirus period, mostly to keep people busy. This particular puzzle needs basic knowledge of simultaneous equations, and we all know that simultaneous equations has two methods, which are elimination method and substitution method, and both methods will be used in this puzzle. But before I continue, I would like you to click the like button and hit the subscribe button below. Now get your books and pens ready, because we are about to demystify this puzzle. Okay, here we go. To solve this, we have to substitute variables x, y, a, and b into the boxes given at that diagram that is shown on the screen. We notice that when we slot the variables, we have two equations, two good equations, horizontally and vertically. In your x and your y graph, the x is the horizontal part and your y is the vertical part. Now on the horizontal part, we saw x plus y is equals to 8, and the second one on the horizontal is a minus b is equals to 6. On the vertical part, we have x plus a is equals to 13 and y plus b is equals to 8. Notice that all the equations don't have the same variables to be compared. So what do? We try to look for a way to get an equation so that we can be able to get a value of one of the variables so that we can easily get the other values. So here we go. Make x subject of formula from equation 1. We got x is equals to 8 minus y. We put that into equation 3. In the long run, we got a minus y is equals to 5, which is equation 6. From equation 6, we found the subject of formula for y to get minus 5 plus a, which we call equation 7. We put it into equation 4, which resulted to a plus b is equals to 13. That is equation 8. Looking at this, we can see that we can then compare equation 8 to equation 2 because they have the same variable. Using elimination method, we compared equation 8 and equation 2 together, which got us the value of b using elimination method. And the value of b was 3.5. Then we put the value of b into equation 2 like we normally do in the elimination method to find a, which got us a is equals to 9.5. Wow, we just got the value of two variables. From there, we also put a into 9.5. A is equals to 9.5 into equation 3 to get x, which gave us x is equals to 3.5. Wow, we just got 3. Let's move on. Put the values of x into equation 1 for us to get y. And in the long run, as we continue solving in the diagram shown, we got 4.5. From what we've done, wow, we just got the values of x, y, a, and b. That's fantastic. You guys should give yourself a round of applause. Now, the values of x, which is 3.5, y, 4.5, a, 9.5, and b, 3.5. Now it's time for us to slot in the values of the variable into the box and see the magic. And also, let us check whether we are right or wrong. Now from the diagram given, the values have been slotted in their various positions. Now let's test to see if it's correct. You must always test to know if your answer is correct. From the first line, 3.5 plus 4.5 gave us 8, which is correct. 9.5 minus 3.5 is equals to 6, which is also correct. 3.5 plus 9.5 is equals to 13, absolutely correct. 4.5 plus 3.5 equals to 8, beautifully correct. Therefore, we got the real values of the equation. Also note, you can use a calculator to check if what I've done is correct. Okay guys, I hope you guys loved the explanation. Here is a question shown in the diagram on the screen. You can use to practice on what I just taught. You can go back on what I taught and be checking it. Thank you very much for viewing. If you have any question with the solution, feel free to message me at Facebook. My username nwuno Livingstone. WhatsApp number 081-846-73561. I repeat, 081-846-73561. You can always message me anytime. Please just hit on the like and subscribe button. And please remember to stay safe during this coronavirus period. Hey guys, it's Livingstone.